Everybody doing? Hope all is well. Today we're going to show you how to make a soup. Homemade soup. It's real basic. It's not a big deal when you just have everything in front of you. So I went ahead and cut up pumpkins, potatoes, malanga. I got some celeries. I got green peppers, onions, culantro, cilantro, whichever flavor you prefer. Salt, complete seasoning, bay leaves, and then the bird. Don't forget about the bird. Then you're gonna come over here, put some water in a deep pan. Go about halfway. You don't want to overdo it because you will be eating soup for an entire week if you do. So once you got everything cut up nice and clean, you're gonna turn on your stove and introduce the bird into the water. We'll show you step by step, real basic, and you will enjoy this dish. Put your complete seasoning in there. We need flavor. So if you have a specific and favorite spice that you like, there's no shame to it. Just put it in there. Make it happen. So once you got that in there, you're going to go ahead and stir it a little bit. And the rest be done about 30-45 minutes. Just cook it medium temperature. There's no rush to it. You got to enjoy the day. And this is something you can do any time of the week. It doesn't have to be on a weekend. It could be on a Monday, Tuesday, whenever you have time and you want to enjoy a homemade soup. So we'll leave it there for about 30 minutes or so, 45 minutes. Once it's ready, you serve yourself a little bit of lime, lemon. In a little while, I'll put a little bit of this. This gives it that distinct flavor. You got your limes. Have a beautiful day. Enjoy your weekend. Enjoy your week. Enjoy life. You only live once. Life is good.